Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can translate any language in Excel. So for this you have to open Excel, and I will be translating into 2 to 3 languages, such as my source language will be English, and I will be trying to translate it to Spanish and Arabic. So the first word I will be typing is welcome, and second hello. So to translate it, you need to type on keyboard is equal to sign and type translate. Then the source language, which is English, so you need to select B4, comma. Now here you need to put the source language. So in my case it's English, then put comma, and this is the language you want it to be translated. So I will be searching Spanish here, and close the bracket and press enter. Same like this I will extend it to the other cell, and here I will be doing the same thing. And select the cell from here, comma, and the source language is English. The source language is English, and comma, and enter. So as you can see, it will help you to translate in various languages. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like, subscribe my channel.